For my 9th birthday, I had a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory party. My mom threw it for me. It was awesome. This video is your golden ticket for a tour of all the activities. Golden tickets. Thank you. Would you please sign the contract?
Now.
So most of my guests signed my contract, just like in the movie.
Willy Wonka, the amazing chocolatier. Willy Wonka, everybody give a cheer.
After the guests came in and signed the contract, they came over here to this chocolate waterfall. There were 2 platters, and each had a lot of things in them, and they got to dip them in. Check out this awesome gift I got that was wrapped like a golden ticket. People took pictures with this Oompa Loompa photo prompt. All throughout the house there were awesome decorations, like lollipops and other candies, golden tickets, I eat more candy, Wonka bars, and little things that Willy Wonka would say throughout the movie.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello. Our laundry room, we didn't want anybody to go in it, so we had this sign that said, "Help, police, murder," from when he was like, "Help, police, murder."
Don't just stand there, do something!
Help. Police. Murder.
There are tons of other awesome decorations, like this gummy bear tree. And there's also other ones like the sign for storeroom number 54. Dairy cream, whipped cream, coffee cream, vanilla cream, hair cream. We have these doors that are Wonka bars. And then this way, please, into the Puppet Hospital and Burn Center. Busy lifting rinks. Yay, bubbles! This is from the part of the movie when they were floating up in the air because they drank the fizzy lifting drink. This is the inventing room. Here we got chocolate candy molds, and the kids got to choose things. My guests got to choose things, and they put them into the molds. And then my dad would come.
And then we'll dump some chocolate on top.
Oh.
And they would pour chocolate on top when the guests were ready. I just like crumbled up these chips into it, and it is delicious. Here are some examples of candy bars that they made.
Look, this one.
And this one. We were going to make wrappers for them, but we ran out of time. This is the lickable wallpaper my mom made. It is delicious. Is this the lickable wallpaper?
It definitely is. See? It says so right there. And then it says the snozberries taste like snozberries. Bet you can't guess which one's a snozberry. Back by the bubbles.
Do you want me to show you?
You want to lick some wallpaper?
This is how Mom made it. She melted Jolly Ranchers onto the fruit.
Snozberries taste like snozberries.
Hey, that's my line. Kids loved the lickable wallpaper part. I know that some kids would come back to it like multiple times. I was one of those kids. This is the cotton candy machine, and that is a cotton candy sheet.
One of the kids at the party came over to the cotton candy, all like, hey, I want cotton candy. Do you want to know how we make that? My dad said, we shave it off that sheep right up there. Then the little kid said, nope, goodbye, I don't want any. Then ran away.
Up in this room, we had a golden egg hunt. My sister and I filled the eggs with candy and put the golden ticket in one of the eggs. And we got to hide the eggs all throughout this room. I hid one of the eggs right here. All the kids were looking for the egg that had the golden ticket in it. Whoever's egg had the golden ticket in it got to win either a prize or a gummy bear. She was a bad egg.
Don't care how I want it now.
She was a bad egg.
For my party, I dressed up like Violet and I got to be a game.
You're gonna try to get the bubble gum right there.
I got to be pin the bubble on Violet, where all the kids would get a bubble and they try to pin it right there.
You wanna see?
I play because
Okay. Take a look. Where'd you get it on her?
This is where you got
Pretty
it.
close.
This is how we played it. But there was one kid named Emma who got it on my aunt's hand. Right here on this plate we had a ton of gummy bears, but people chose them instead of prizes. And then right here is the
You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
button. And my sister wrote push button to win. Then secretly wrote lose right there. But the adults kept hitting
You
it.
get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
And tried to win, even though there was no way for you to win. They just kept pushing my button. Then finally, one of the adults asked me, "Can you win this?" And I was like, "No."
You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
We played bingo with these homemade bingo cards. Everybody really liked it, and there were a lot of winners. We bought a cake from Costco that was chocolate cake, and my mom had to scrape off the border that they put on. And then she decorated it like a Wonka bar. She also made cupcakes that looked like mushrooms.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jayden. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
My mom found a candle holder that was made out of chocolate. Yummy candle, yum yum yum. It was the most sugary party ever. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for the great party. If you'd like to know how we did anything in this video, leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching! Chocolate.